Hey guys, so today we are doing a shopping vlog. I don't know if you saw the lake house series that I'm doing, but we are renovating a lake house cottage. And today we're actually shopping for marble countertops for that renovation. We just made it to a local marble yard and I'm really excited because the place looks huge from the photos. I'm here with my client Barb and I'm also here with my mom. We're gonna go to the marble yard and then if we have time, I'm also gonna take you guys to my favorite thrift store in the area, which is Lost and Found GR. So let's go in and see what kind of marble they have. Oh my gosh, there's so much snow.
So on the right-hand side, up front here, close to us, is where you will see the man-made quartz. Outside of that, though, everything else in here is going to be natural stone.
Oh, you guys, you know I've been into pink lately. Look at this. I like this one. What do you think about this one?
I like it too. What I like about it
Oh,
is,
detached?
yeah,
That's what I like
I
too.
don't know, if you get the same effect just taking a piece of it.
And I don't know if I like the patch because I don't know if it's gonna look dirty. Like if you don't get the right cut, is it gonna look?
Because it's so clean over here.
Right, it's just so clean. It looks like, did you stain it?
I do like the pattern, but it would be nice if it was the whole thing because when you start cutting it,
I like the subtlety of it. If you didn't want it to be so drama in there, maybe something more subtle like this. Because the other one does provide drama, but I do also really like drama in a small space. But if you wanted something a little more subtle, I felt like something like this could be a good option.
something like this, yes.
Yeah.
And I like the coloring of it, and I like the design of it, but I would want it to be on the whole.
The whole thing, yeah. Okay. There's so much. We're not even a quarter of the way through yet. I would have this in my kitchen. I'm a moody soul.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
I remember kind of the way it moves, how it moves like water. And yeah, a little more quiet.
We're really liking this one. We said it feels serene. We really like the brown, and we feel like the brown in here is very similar to the oak colored cabinets. And we like that it's not so veiny and so typical. I agree. So we just finished walking through the entire warehouse, and I think we have it down to 2 different marble countertops. So I'm gonna show you guys here and here. These are the ones that we like, so we're about to wrap it up. You guys, we just pulled up to Lost and Found, my favorite thrift store in the area. I go to this thrift store quite often, like maybe every couple months. It's a huge warehouse full of my favorite kind of furniture, which is mid-century modern. They have like a good mixture, but they mostly have mid-century modern stuff. We just got back from breakfast. We're about to go in and just browse around. You guys know I'm always on the hunt for some art. So we'll see if we can find some. We're also gonna see if we can find anything for the lake house. Maybe something will stand out. We can grab it now and take it to the lake house later. So we accidentally walked into the wrong warehouse, but there's a lot of cool stuff in here. There's a lot of clothes in here and jewelry and stuff. Ooh, and fur coats too.
Yeah,
Well, that's cute. I like the collar.
I know, and it's too small. I know
Oh, that's really cute.
but you might be able to wear it.
Look at this one.
Is that cute?
That's cute.
That's cute.
Yeah,
I love the color.
Yeah, it's a pretty color.
it is. It's super fun.
Oh my gosh, guys, look what I just found. It's literally a phone.
Wow.
It's a phone. That's so cool. Hello? You want to subscribe? Okay, yeah. Subscribe and put your notifications on. We're in Lost and Found right now. Look at this couch, you guys. How cute is this? $3.50. That's not bad. You guys, this is a really good deal. This buffet, this walnut mid-century modern buffet is only like $2.95. Yeah, $2.95. I think that's amazing. They're pretty expensive here, but if you keep looking, you can find some pretty good deals. This would go great like in a dining room area. You could really spruce it up and be creative and use it however you want, really. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. We had a lot of fun, and I can't believe we discovered a brand new thrift shop. I want to know what you guys liked. Make sure you put it in the comments below. I love you all so much, and I will see you next weekend. Bye.